choosing the right ERP is a big decision. In this video, we're comparing two players, Acumatica and Genius ERP, to help you decide which one fits your business's needs best. I'm Devin Hennig with SelectHub, and we're an independent analyst firm that helps companies evaluate software. This episode is sponsored by Genius, but as always, we're keeping the comparison fair, data-backed, and buyer first. Let's dive in. Acumatica is a popular ERP for mid-market manufacturers and other businesses. It serves a wide range of industries, not just manufacturing, but its manufacturing edition does add capabilities for discrete and batch production. Users tend to highlight its modern interface, flexible deployment, and extensive partner ecosystem as some of its strengths. Genius ERP, on the other hand, is an ERP built exclusively for manufacturers. It's designed for engineer-to-order, make-to-order, and configure-to-order environments, and it's used by small to mid-sized companies, typically machinery builders, automation firms, and specialty fabricators, where every job is unique and precision matters from engineering to delivery. Both Acumatica and Genius ERP help manufacturers connect their teams, control costs, and deliver projects on time, but they take different paths to get there. Here are some of Acumatica's differentiators. Cloud-native platform. Acumatica focuses on cloud deployment, offering browser-based access from anywhere at any time with no desktop software required. Broad industry coverage. Acumatica is used across multiple sectors, so businesses with both manufacturing and non-manufacturing orgs can run everything from one system. Flexible deployment and scalability. Companies can start small and scale up easily across multiple sites or divisions without needing new infrastructure. Open integration ecosystem. With hundreds of certified integrations, Acumatica allows you to extend functionality, whether it's for e-commerce, CRM, or more. Here are some of Genius ERP's top differentiators. CAD to BOM integration. Engineers can import CAD designs directly into Genius ERP to generate BOMs and routings, bridging the gap between design and production. Advanced quoting and product configurator. With Genius ERP, you can build accurate quotes and estimates tied to real job cost data, even for complex projects. Project and production management. Genius connects scheduling, resource planning, quality control, and job costing, ideal for long cycle or milestone-based builds. Smart scheduling and shop floor control. Real-time insights into workloads, bottlenecks, resource allocation, and more help manufacturers keep projects on track. Genius ERP's advantage is focus. It's purpose-built for custom manufacturers who need deep control over engineering, quoting, and production without layers of unnecessary modules. On top of the product itself, Genius also offers manufacturing expert implementation. In other words, Genius handles implementation and support entirely in-house, staffed by engineers and manufacturing experts, which makes a big difference when it's time to implement a new system. To summarize, both Acumatica and Genius ERP deliver strong, modern ERP capabilities for manufacturers. Acumatica offers breadth, a flexible, cloud-based system that can support multiple industries and business units with a wide range of cross-functional use cases. Genius ERP offers depth, a tailored solution for engineer-to-order and make-to-order environments where every job is unique. If your business builds complex, custom equipment or automation systems, both providers are certainly worth a demo, so you can see for yourself how a manufacturing-specific solution like Genius ERP stacks up against horizontal solutions like Acumatica. Both systems can help manufacturers grow. The right one depends on your workflow, complexity, and growth strategy. Want more help choosing the right manufacturing ERP? See the links in the description to explore our ERP resources. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more software breakdowns and deep dives. See you next time. Cheers.